I just showed you, the two MXL 990's that I have on the piano, they're an ambient spaced pair. And, you know, I just set them up. Funny thing is, I didn't really have any rhyme or reason of this placement. I just put them there just to get them ready for the stream. And you know what? They sound really good, actually. All right, I'm going to play a little bit, and we're just going to listen, and then you tell me what you think. So let's move on to another microphone position, and let's see what we get. Okay, so I'm going to walk over there, and I'm going to do a spaced pair that's going to be inside the grand piano, and it's going to be facing down at the strings. This is the right microphone, and this is for the right hand. So I'm going to put it in the center right here. So you see where the harp is? The whole treble harp is here. So generally in the center of that will be good. So here we go. You're going to hear some bumps and clumps here while I move the microphone. I should have muted that, but sorry, I totally forgot. We're going to get it in there. We're going to lower it a little bit. Move it in. And that's generally where I want it. Now I may want it a little bit higher, but we could adjust that in a little bit. So that's that looks pretty good. And then I'm eyeballing it. Now keep in mind the 3 to 1 rule comes into play. So however much distance that microphone capsule is from the strings, you times that by 3. So if it's 8 inches above the strings, 8 times 3 is 24. So your other microphone has to be 24 inches away from that one. So I'm just going to eyeball it, then we'll get the ruler out, and then we'll have a for sure measurement. But for now, let me just see how close I could get. And boy, that's not enough cord. I think I'll just do with what I could do. We have the microphones in a closer position. Let's take a listen, see how it sounds with the spaced pair here. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope you learned something here. And I have another lesson to teach you, and it's in a tutorial video. All you have to do is click the link in this description to sign up, and you'll get some free content that I've made for you. It shows you how to mic your grand piano with several techniques that I use for great recording and live streaming, as well as going into a digital audio workstation, and I'm going to show you how to use a free DAW. It's called Reaper, and I'll show you how to mix and master your piano recording. It's a very quick tutorial, and I want you to have it, and I want you to learn from it. So feel free to check the link below. All right, I'll see you there.